We're just starting on day 2 now. Early rise, it is freezing. If you look close, you can see Lewis huddle up there. That's also probably just him trying to get that Himalayan moving. This is mountain life in the summertime. It's freezing. Holy shit. I think a wildfire smoke might have cooled things down too. Yeah, it is. Ooh, look at that, cows. Oh wow, that's mama cow for sure. Those are gotta be some happy ass cows out here. What's that?
Just leaving that.
Yeah, I know. I like all the cows too. Like, what the f is going on? Yeah. They're all looking at us. Yeah, my hands are f***ing. Whew.
Yeah, I can't feel them.
I was hoping those hand guards do some work, but they're not really doing it.
Yeah, I got nothing on it.
Oh, you got heated grips, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, with the camera? Yeah.
No, with the, yeah, just with the camera.
No, that was a photo. I'm shooting on live view because I can't put the camera to my face.
Yeah.
I gotta take my helmet off for it. Oh shit, my GoPro's still going. Oh, look at that. That's a hell of a place to camp.
This is where we should have camped.
I know shit. This is awesome.
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Fucking f me. So as you can see, as much as I love this bike, I've been kind of struggling with it. I keep stalling it because I'm so used to the torque of my Harley, and I have both times off camera I have dropped this bike twice. The first time the fucking gas can in the back of the bike here was like flopping around and I was freaking out, and there's a big rut in the dirt road and I kept looking at it saying don't go there, but since I've been looking at it, I went right in and I didn't drop it then. I was just kind of stuck, but I was freaking out trying to get out of it, and getting out of it is when I dropped it. And then just back there, I was just trying to do a U-turn and I dropped it again. So I think it could be a mix of several things. I got this thing loaded with so much shit. It's really awkward to ride it. I think the gas can on top too is, I've really felt it after putting that on. And then it's just a humongous bike, and I am not a large person. It always shakes your confidence whenever you drop it. Cowboy hat and everything. Ow. Getting a bunch of rocks pelted at me. I don't even know why I said ow, it didn't hurt. Absolutely nothing here. This is one desolate ass place. I gotta say, this thing is sketchy as hell. And this loose gravel, holy shit. I am white knuckling this whole time. I'm pretty sure I got death wobble at least once. Oh wow. He is very confused. It looks like it's clearing up. It's still smoky, but I can actually see him for more than like 3 miles away. And we're actually getting proper shadows on the ground from the sun. It doesn't look like a cloudy day, and the sky's blue. Well, after that white knuckle ass ride in the gravel, I thankfully did not bend this bike for the 3rd time. I thought I was gonna, but made it out on top, made it out on 2 wheels, and we officially have just entered the state of Utah. So I'm glad to be back on pavement. I think this trip is a bit of a humbling experience as well, because I think, you know, I want to blame everything like, oh, I got this gas can flopping around behind me. Oh, I got all this weight in these panniers. Oh, this bike is too big. Oh, I'm too small. But, I mean, I think if I was a more experienced rider, none of those things would have really bothered me.